Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, it's the Yes You can opener from Kitchen Mama. Kitchen Mama sent me 3 of these, and they're new colors. I've got blue, red, and purple. These things are awesome for kids. They're awesome for older people that just have arthritis in their hands and can't use regular hand can openers. On the end, has this little lip, and you just pick it up, and the whole part comes loose. You can see 4 AA batteries. So the spring, the bottom goes to the spring, and you just alternate. Four batteries, and then you put the lid back on, and you hear it snap. Okay, on the underside, it has a built-in magnet, and this is the cutting wheel thing. You want the can to be in between these 2. So we're going to try this and see how it works. As you can see, I'm putting this wheel on the outside and letting it sit on top of the can, and we're going to mash the button on top. And it stops automatically, and then it backs up so you can take it off. Like that. Voila! Today, we're going to give 3 away. In the comments below, write blue, red, or purple. Tell me why you'd want one, and you can comment as many times as you want. If you want all 3, put 3 separate comments. As many times as you want. It doesn't matter. Just each comment needs to be for 1 entry. If you'd like one of the Kitchen Mama new colors, blue, red, or purple. Hey, I'm doing it April 6th. Gonna do a drawing. First 3 people that commented, that come up in the drawing, will win a handy little can opener. Great for kids or older people with problems with their hands. These are awesome. So comment below, guys, and we'll talk to you later from Crazy Days.